Hi there, welcome to this Jumbo Jet special, a look all over November Lima Yankee. Let's go. November Lima Yankee was delivered to British Airways in February 1993 and named the city of Swansea. On the 9th of March 2019, she arrived back to Heathrow in the Landor livery in celebration of British Airways centenary year. Sadly, 2020 and the pandemic cut short the life of the Boeing 747 with British Airways and other airlines around the world, and she was retired. Thankfully, the 3 special livery BA jumbo jets and 1 in the standard livery were saved from the scrapman. November Lima Yankee was flown to Dunsfold Aerodrome in December 2020. On the 24th of July, she was opened for enthusiasts, so I of course took the opportunity to get the closest and most in-depth look at my favourite aircraft type I have ever had. This aircraft was known as a mid-J aircraft. She had 4 classes, first with 14 seats, World Traveller Plus or Premium Economy with 36 seats, Club World or Business Class with 52 seats, including 20 seats on the upper deck, and World Traveller Economy with 235 seats. Let's take a closer look on board, starting in the first cabin. 1A and 1K, the best seats on the aircraft, and actually the only seats in front of the pilot sitting upstairs. I always thought the colours make this a very warm and relaxing cabin. Far enough away from the engines to make it quiet, the jumbo was loud but in a good way, and a very exclusive cabin. I loved these blinds. Instead of the normal window shades, you could control this blind going up and down. Here's the galley at doors 1 where the first meals were prepared, and it's not an aviation video these days without a view of the toilet, which for those travelling first included a window. After doors 1 comes the World Traveller Plus cabin, laid out in a 242 configuration with a 38-inch seat pitch. Galley at doors 2, the location of the Club World kitchen where you could get snacks and drinks during the flight. It's also where the stairs are that lead to the upper deck. Let's go take a look. This is the rear galley on the upper deck, which actually has a lift to get the food carts to the upper deck. My favourite cabin on the jumbo, 20 seats in a 2-2 configuration. The rear-facing window seats, my favourite, had lots of extra storage by the window for all the bits and bobs you might need during the flight. The most coveted row on the upper deck, 62A and B and 62J and K. Let's go take a quick look at the stunning cockpit of the jumbo jet. We're now on the main deck in the Club World cabin. It's laid out in a 242 configuration. If you're travelling as a couple, the rear-facing E and F seats were the most desired. We're now in the World Traveller or Economy cabin. There were two separate cabins, this one having 10 rows. The rear World Traveller cabin with 16 rows. Right at the back of the aircraft, the crew rest. It's now time to make our way to the front of the aircraft again and have a good look outside. Let's take a walk underneath the jumbo jet from the main forward landing gear all the way to the back. Now let's walk all the way to the front again, but from the side this time. One last look at the aircraft as we head home. A great day, thanks to everyone that was involved in setting this amazing experience up.